It's super simple to create an Autodesk account. You'll need to create an Autodesk account in order to download Revit. And as a student, you get Revit free, so don't pay a penny. So the first thing you'll do is log on to this website, then click sign in. And then once you're here at sign in, it says new to Autodesk, click create an account. And then once you do that, go ahead and put in your Slick email. So I'm actually just going to log in already since I have an account. And then once you're logged in, simply go up to products and then hit download your software. And then it is super important when you put in your email that you use your Slick email, okay? If you don't use your Slick email, it won't give you an educational license. And then it will give you some prompts. It varies every couple months. Autodesk consistently updates. So keep in mind that you may have different screens than what I'm showing here. Just follow the prompts. If you have any questions, go ahead and message your instructor. But once you do that, go ahead and click all services and products. And then what you'll do is you'll go down to Revit. And then you'll just make sure you have Win64 English and then the most recent year, and then you hit install. Okay? And then go ahead and do that. You'll install that on your computer. And if you have any difficulties with the install on your computer, please remember that your instructor is not IT. You'll need to go to the help desk, which is on the first floor of the technology building on the Redwood campus.